As a sheep breeder, do you ever feel like you're being left behind? Other studs seem to be driving forward and are fully across ASPVs and are getting more and more clients. Meanwhile, you're still trying to figure out how to make it all work for you. You can't see an easy way to capture and present the data you need to make great decisions that will take you forward, and you know that if you don't figure it out soon, you'll have an issue. Every year, your clients seem to be asking you to provide them with more and more information about the sheep that they are buying, and you know you need to work it out fast. The key issue is that you don't have a system that saves you stress, time, energy, and money to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. A system that is easy to use and takes out the confusion of capturing all that information. At BreedELITE, we've combined 35 years of specialist sheep consultancy into a purpose-built, easy-to-use software for sheep breeders to help them stay ahead of the pack. More than that, we've combined the software with the best drafter and other technology to create an all-in-one system that just works and is supported by people who understand your needs.